What is up guys? Welcome back to my garage. Today we are doing something special, and that is installing these mufflers from the guys over at Mr.Tuning. Now let's open the package. And as you can see, we got some sunglasses, we got an air freshener and a decal, which is going on the car. Now to the special bit. Look at this guys, look at that. This is a special exhaust as it has a dB killer, which you can adjust. You can make it louder, you can make it quieter, you can even take it off if you want. And yeah, it's really special because of that. Also, this exhaust has a 2.5-inch input and a 4-inch output, which is going to sound amazing. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about Mr.Tuning. They are Scandinavia's biggest aftermarket store when it comes to Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, Volvos, everything you can dream of. So go ahead, link is down below, and check out the website and maybe you can find something for your car. But first off, we do need to prep the car, and we are going to cut this piece and this piece to reveal the pipe right here. And after that we are going to cut the pipe and make some adjustments. But safety is first, so let's put this on. You can cut this with an angle grinder, but I'm going to use a plasma cutter. Now let's cut the exhaust. Now let's cut the exhaust. Alright, so we have cut off the original mufflers that were right here. And so you guys don't have to think, I'm just going to tell you that this is a 60-degree turn into a 2.5-inch adapter. So now let's go ahead and put the big exhaust in. And as you guys can see, I had to weld the adapter and the 60-degree turn pipe so we can fit them to the existing part and the new part. But now let's go ahead and paint this with a special hot paint that is suitable for 650 degrees Celsius. We are doing this so it doesn't rust. Now, before assembling this, we have to use some exhaust sealant and seal this whole exhaust pipe, just like this. This is going to prevent any leakage and other stuff we might get. And the same with the other side. And you gotta be generous with the amount you're putting on, as this is basically what seals the new exhaust with the old one. So be pretty generous when applying this. Now let's assemble this. And that's it. The exhaust is on and assembled. As you can see, I have 2 clamps right here, and that is because if I ever need to get these out, I can. Also, I have a support right here, which is just holding everything in place. I just want to send a special thank you to the boys over at Mr.Tuning for sending me these 2. Let's do a sound test where we adjust this dB killer and take it off. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe. is neighbor mode, which means that it's pretty quiet, but let's take the DB killer off. But now to the most important part. The air freshener. Ew. So thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.